Welcome back, everyone. It is Sunday and we are in, I'm going to butcher this, but it's called Faliro. I know I'm butchering that. I've tried to pronounce it a bunch of times and just completely failed. But anyways, this is basically like the Riviera of Greece. It's in Athens, or it's in like greater Athens. It's probably the best area we've been to so far in the Athens area, and we highly suggest staying here if you do come here and you want to escape the city. Down there is the beach. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go through the city and the park as well. As always, if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe just to help us out. That's kind of cool. Lots of people out today because it's Sunday. And from what I've gathered on TikTok, and people just commenting on everything, a lot of people only have Sunday off here, locals wise. Look how clear the water is. It's not really a sandy beach, but it's definitely worth swimming in. Got some clouds coming in. You think it's gonna rain? Kind of looks rain-worthy. Everyone's just out enjoying the sun. The way life intended people to enjoy life, instead of doing a bunch of drugs and littering everywhere. Ooh, ice cream. Walking up on some shops. So we're gonna walk through this little area, which is just a bunch of shops right on the beach. Over there, I don't know if you guys can see the city, but that is, I think it's pronounced Piraeus, which is like the port city. So if you're taking like a ferry, I'm pretty sure that's where you're gonna have to go through. After we walk through the booths, we're gonna walk through like the main city area, which is right there, and it's really cute, so we hope you enjoy. Hi. What is it?
Natural and fresh. Just be careful because it's liquid.
Oh, it's liquid. Oh, I'm sorry.
Do you want to show you some smells?
Sorry?
Do you want to show you some smells?
No, I think I'm okay. Thank you, though. Bye. Have a good day. Public bathrooms. And then we got some more beach areas that way as well. Yep, clouds are definitely coming in. Honestly, I'm not even mad the clouds are coming in because yesterday it rained, and we actually went to this really nice steakhouse, which I'll show you on the walk, but we walked back in the rain to our Airbnb, and it was just so much more refreshing because it's the summer in the Mediterranean, which is very hot. It's pretty humid. Really nice to go swimming in, but when you walk 5-10 miles a day, it gets a little too much. I actually had like some heat issues a few days ago. In the video where we go through the hood, you can see I have this like big bump on my head, and my mom said she thought it was like a water blister from like too much sun. So kind of happy there's clouds up. So this street right here runs right along the water. So this street right here runs right along the water. And there's actually a tram that you can take, like to and from the different cities right here. So there's like Fada, this town, which I can't pronounce, and then Reyes, I believe is how you pronounce it. But yeah, you can get to all those places by tram. If not, cabs are actually really cheap unless you're going to the airport. Going to the airport, they're going to charge you like $40 or $50, which you can take public transportation one way for about 10 euros. And then to get to and from the city is about 8 euros by taxi, which is totally worth it because I think it's like $2.50, $3 a person, like via public transportation, and it takes like 3 times as long. So might as well just take a cab. We've had the pleasure of eating at this place right here. I think it's actually a chain. It's called Italia. Very nice view of the water. Everyone comes out here in the morning time for coffee because the Greek like to drink coffee for 5 hours. But we had a really cheap, good lunch there. PJ got a sandwich. It was like a foot-long sandwich for like 3.50 euros. Nice little stand here. Looks like they're prepping for the rain. Sushi and street food. What do you got here? Yep, a pleasure machine. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, pleasure machine. Okay, so this is like the main strip that's on the water here, and there are tons of cafes. I mean, tons of them. Tons of cafes, shops, a bunch of little fun things to do. We've had sweets here a few times, and we've had a couple meals here. Everything was good, everything. I haven't had like one bad dish in Greece so far, so maybe that's a biased opinion, but I feel like I've been pretty risky with trying different foods and loved everything, so. Over there we got coffee shop, cafe. What else? There's like a meat market in the corner. It's not open. Got some nice shops. Get yourself some Greek souvenirs, blankets. Those types of blankets and towels and stuff you can actually get for cheaper in the flea market in the main part of Athens, but if you're already over here, might be worth spending extra, I guess. The White Dome Church right there. It's crazy. Those White Dome churches, I'm sure you guys have seen them. Greece is really famous for them. But on the different islands in Greece, there's tourists that like climb the domes, which is like super disrespectful because there's signs everywhere that say like don't climb the church domes. But whatever, to each their own. More coffee. The store looks really cute. Cute tops. Okay, now we are walking up on the steakhouse that PJ and I ate at yesterday. It was amazing. We had a 3-course meal and drinks. I think PJ had a beer. We had like a big giant thing of some fancy water, and it was like 33 euros. But here it is. Got this place right here. Nice sit-down restaurant, steakhouse, really good. If you come here, please eat there. If you can afford it, of course. got some more shops. It's Sunday, so some of these places are closed, but all of the restaurants are open, which is nice. So there's one other big like shopping area that's a little more local. Prices are a little better, and there's like fruit stands and kind of similar type of stuff that's over here. Both areas are really nice. I mean, this whole area is like really safe. I would definitely much rather walk around at night here than I would in like the main city of Athens. So like I said, if you want to be somewhere that's like safe and nice and beachy, like this is much better. Something that I have learned about Greece since we've been here is that outside of their working hours, Greek people are generally very relaxed and they enjoy just hanging out, chilling, spending time with their family, going to cafes, spending hours at those cafes, drinking coffee for hours. They take siestas just like the Spanish do, which is like a nap time, break time, like right in the middle of the day. Somebody from here told me that the siestas are usually from like 1400 to about 1700. Now I'm walking through the neighborhoods. There's actually not a lot of tourists here from what it seems like, but it does seem like there's an international community in these neighborhoods. And we're actually able to stay here because we're house sitting for somebody. We're watching some cats. Found a last minute house sitting job over here. Decided to take it and leave the hood. You can see a lot of people feed homeless cats. Ooh, that's in a nice house. Different fruit trees everywhere. Citrus. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end that here. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like the video. But anyways, cheers.